Welcome back to Production Process Pro, your guide to how the world's favorite products are made.
Today, we dive into the delicious journey of chocolate, how it's made from cocoa bean to bar. Here, millions of cocoa trees grow on small family farms.
Pods are collected and taken for opening.
The beans are placed into fermentation boxes for several days.
After fermentation, the beans are sun-dried until they reach the right moisture level.
At the chocolate factory, each batch is inspected for quality. Remove any damaged or foreign material. Advanced cleaning machines remove dust, stones, and debris. The beans roast at controlled temperatures for 10 to 35 minutes.
They are Archer cordonets.
They are then cracked into smaller pieces. A winnower separates the shells from the edible cocoa nibs. These nibs now move to the grinding stage.
To make milk chocolate, sugar and milk powder are added.
These rollers reduce particle size to feel smooth on the tongue.
The viscosity is holding steady at 55 centipoises.
Confirmed. Jotting that down now.
Tempering carefully cools and reheats chocolate to form stable crystals. This gives chocolate its snap and glossy finish.
Now the tempered chocolate is poured into molds. As the chocolate solidifies, bars pop out cleanly.
Each bar is wrapped in protective foil.
Then comes the branded outer packaging. Quality checks ensure consistency and taste. Packaged bars are boxed and prepared for shipment. The chocolate leaves the factory and heads to stores worldwide.
Soon, it reaches your hands, ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Production Process Pro for more amazing factory processes.